welcome back to another video. Today we'll be preparing pineapple wine. Now personally, I like making these for special occasions, especially when I'm hanging out with friends, with family. It brings a sense of uniqueness and it brings us together since it's personally made and has been sitting and brewing for a long time. It brings a sense of originality, and today I will be showing you guys how to make your own batch of lovely pineapple wine. Stay tuned. Alrighty, you are going to need 6 cups of water, 2 pineapples, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 cinnamon sticks, and half a teaspoon of yeast. And then you're going to need a knife, a pot, of course, a cutting board, a pair of gloves, a pitcher, 2 rubber bands, and a cloth to cover to let your wine brew. Alrighty, we're right into the video. Just because it didn't show that I didn't wash it, or it's not showing that I wash my fruits and vegetables, guys. I gotta stress. Don't kill me in the comments. I keep my stuff clean, please. Wash your vegetables before you start cutting. As you guys can see, I've already started cutting the skin off of the pineapple. This is the main ingredient I'm going to use for the wine. You can add the pineapple bits if you want to, but we're just using the skin since it's already coming off with the pineapple.
Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby.
As you guys can tell, I had like a little bowl full of water. You don't have to do that. I mean, of course, if you have a sink, you can always clean off. If you want to rinse again, but I already have it sitting in the water. And I'm just gonna, let them sit in there, wash them through, and then place them into the pitcher that you're going to use. If you can find like a substitute for a pitcher, something that has a lid that you can seal on tight, that'll work as well if you want your wine to stay longer than the maximum, well, not the maximum, but the minimum of 4 days. That could work as well, but we used a pitcher here.
Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby.
As it says here, boil the 6 cups of water for 5 minutes. You can go a little bit higher if you want to, just till it's hot. And once it's hot, you let it cool down just a little bit, and then you're gonna pour it into the pitcher. And then after that, you're going to add your yeast, your 2 cinnamon sticks, if not more. And then you're going to cover it up. Make sure the covering is secure. You don't want any holes, anything that can allow oxygen to sit in it, because you're trying to make wine. I don't know if you guys ever been to wineries. They make their wine in like little barrels that are very sealed and protected, so that it's not oxygenated and it's just carbon that's making the wine. And then you'll let it sit for I let mine sit for about 4 days, and this is the result of it. You can let it sit for longer if you want to, for a better brew, a better bring out of flavors. And this is what it looks like when you pour it out the pitcher. I put mine in a other glass bottle. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope your batch comes out good, amazing. I hope when you have people drinking it with you, they're like, oh, what store you got this from? You be like, no man, I didn't get it from no store, I made it by myself. Stay tuned for the next video. I hope you guys enjoy and have a blessed day.